Hello everyone, this is a daily forecast on pound dollar. Today is Wednesday, September 8th. This video is brought to you by Finteria Markets. Please check our website to learn more about the company and services that we offer. As usual, I'm going to start with winners and losers. This is a great tool that shows you the strength and the weakness of currency. So here we are going to pay special attention to pound dollar. Well, first of all, as you can see, the US dollar is the strongest currency over the last 24 hours, gaining 0.43%. The British pound was actually neutral. It's at 0%. If we check latest 8 hours, here we can see that the market was pretty quiet. The New Zealand dollar gained slightly, 0.11%, while the British pound lost just tiny 0.05%. So the good news is that, first of all, we don't have any clear trend in the British pound. Even if we check the weekly time frame, we can see that the British pound is pretty neutral against the market, just gaining a tiny 0.03%. So overall, probably this is a good currency pair to trade the current impulse on the US dollar, in my opinion. So I'm not going to discuss the economic calendar. You can check my video on euro dollar. I discussed the most important events today. We have a lot of news from Canada, a rate decision with potentially quite some volatility. So please check that video. So I'm going to switch directly to the charts and going to start with daily charts. First of all, just to remind you that we had this triangle on the daily chart. We broke the resistance line. We returned back. So I'm getting very skeptical about this line because the price should always respect the level. If the price doesn't respect the support or resistance level, it's just better just to remove it. So I'm going to keep it for the while, but I don't believe that this line is relevant for the market at the moment. Let's switch to the 4-hour chart. Here, what I can see, we had a really strong impulse in the US dollar. We broke the channel, and here we have a potential to move further. I think the target would be 137.30, and here we could actually initiate a position and put a stop loss not really that far above the level 38, probably 38.10 would be a good level. So in my opinion, this can be a potentially good trade because the movement on the US dollar is strong. The technical picture looks great. We have a breakout. So there's a potential to move lower. And we do not have any events expected on the pound, like in comparison to euro dollar. We have the ECB rate decision coming this Thursday. There's nothing on the agenda for the US dollar or for the British pound. So that's why I think here it would be a better play if you want to bet on the US dollar. I would recommend you to trade on the pound dollar, and you can have a relatively short stop loss in this case. So that's basically the idea. That was short, but I think that was helpful. So if you like this idea and you have any comments, suggestions, please leave them under this video. This video is prepared by Finteria Markets. Please check the website to learn more about the services and tools that we offer. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.